And alright, welcome back to Mario's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be telling you guys on how to set up host. You're going to be setting up Vectors Horse VPN in all countries and in all networks. So do this before we continue. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to your friend, and then you're going to continue. Open the Google Play Store. And then if you open the Google Play Store, you're going to go and you search for the VPN application I'm talking about, which is Vectors Horse VPN. This one. This is a new VPN and it works in all countries. It is a new update. So make sure that you update your friend. Make sure you get your new SIM card in all countries and on all networks. It will connect. Trust me. Subscribe, like the video, and then share. If you get any problem with this application, remember to go to the comment section, because we trust our users, we trust our subscribers, viewers, that this application is connecting. So let us go. Download the application. It will be looking like that, and then after open the VPN application. Do this. Before continuing, this tutorial is for information, education, and research purposes only. Users are reliable to what they will access. So users may be using this application at their own risk, and users are requested to follow up with the internet service providers terms and conditions. They must accept them and then continue with the application. Also, they must follow the local laws. So let us continue. We're going to join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates, and then for me at the moment I'm not going to join. Alright, now we are seeing such a kind of looking the Vectors Horse VPN application looks like. So we are going to do this. Now we are going to come right here where we have the three lines in the top right corner, and then we press on those lines, and then we're going to come where we have the updates, and then we are going to update the application, but we're going to be using the online method. Updating the application using the online method requires a running data bundle of about 0.5 KB. That means you must buy at least a running data bundle. You must purchase one, the lowest cost, and then you'll be able to connect to this application. So let us continue to the online method, and we wait for a few seconds until we see that the application is already updated to the latest version. So do this. We're going to come where we have the auto select server, and then you're going to choose a server that will be good working in your location. But to all the users of this application, I recommend you guys to be using the auto select server to stay up or to keep up with the optimized, stable, fast, and secure servers. So let us continue with the auto select server, and then we're going to come where we have South Africa Vodacom free. We're going to be looking for our country. You may search your country, or you do this, search like mine, so that you can connect to all networks. Search UDP, and then after choose the first in the results. Connect to this one. It will be connecting in all countries and in all networks. Press the start button, and then the VPN application will get connected. So it will connect. If it fails, put airplane mode on and then off. I sign out.